Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy S21, and today I'm going to show you how you can remove this tempered glass from your screen. It's very easy. All we have to do is just to simply start from one of the edge. For example, I'm going right here. So we have to, put our nail right here, and we have to pry off this protector. As you can see, like that. Do it slowly. Try to don't break glass. Okay, and as you can see, that's how it looks. So it was very easy. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!